I see that. Yeah. What's he gonna do this time?
He's moved, so he took his garage.
Really?
Yeah.
Why don't he just take his house too then?
Because he rents it out to get money.
I don't know.
And then he says his kids like the school area better, or it's no good out in the country, so he comes moving back. Has to rebuild his garage. It's like, are you that stupid? How many times you gonna do that? You know, a 2x4 only holds spikes so many times.
Yeah.
Idiot.
He'll probably just get little pieces of 2x4 and nail onto the old 2x4s. Glue them. That's his fence. I thought it was gonna come clear the road. That's a shit ass fence I ever seen one. Well, that's all crooked. They didn't use a string.
They didn't use string.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're ready. I'd like to see that car, one vehicle out there, but that's okay.
Yeah, well, you know something's running over there. The Jeep is running.
The Jeep?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the Jeep ain't in the way.
Yeah.
The Chevy.
It's 40 days and 40 nights. Billie Jean, she just scares me to death.
Hey, what's up? Oh shit. Oh fuck, oh shit. Oh god, oh no. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh god, oh no. I'm glad I didn't bring my van. Jeez. Jesus crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no, help me Jesus. Help me. Help me.
And the door.
Uh-oh. 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 Damage assessment. I took evidentiary photographies of it.